Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. In this video, would be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience and the remote job opportunities. So there are multiple opportunities with respect to HCL company and HCL Technologies is hiring for Chennai, Bangalore. As you can see, 50 plus positions are there with respect to SDET, Selenium, Playwright, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, and you can email the resumes at this email address. Then there is a hiring for QA automation engineer, right? And they are looking for someone who can join for the location of Coimbatore or Hyderabad. And experience required is 2 to 5 years in QA and automation. And you can drop your CV at this email address. Epic Softwares is looking for multiple profiles, QA, IT business analyst, content writer, and QA, you can see 1 to 2 years. IT business analyst, 1 to 2 years, content writer, 6 months to 1 year, and the location is on-site Jaipur, Rajasthan. And interview mode would be face-to-face. Work days would be 5 Monday to Friday, and you can send your resume to this email address, or you can also drop a message here. Then there's a requirement for test automation architect, pre-sales, Bangalore. And Mulia company is looking for test automation architect, someone who can bridge the technology with pre-sales consulting. And they are looking for 10 plus years in software testing with 5 plus years in automation architecture, hands-on in UI, API, mobile, and performance test automation. Location is Bangalore, and you can apply here. Then there is a requirement for QA engineer, manual and automation, fresher to 1 year, full-time entry level, on-site. It's an on-site role. Mohali is a location, and you can call here, or you can also send your CV at this email address. Trigon Media Private Limited is looking for software testers with 1 to 2 years of experience, and this this is the location, and you can send your resume at this email address, or you can also reach out to them at this number. Then there's a job opportunity for SDET, senior engineer. Job location is Noida, Pune, 6 to 8 years. Core Java, Selenium, REST Assured, SQL. Notice period is 15 to 30 days. And this is the email address wherein you can share your CV. There's a requirement for manual software testers. Location phase 1, Hinjewadi, Pune. Experience is 2 to 5 years. And they are looking for someone who is having 2 to 5 years in manual testing. Automation knowledge is a plus. You can share your resume at this email address. Coforge is hiring for automation testing. Location is Gurugram, sorry. Experience is 5 plus years, and this is the link wherein you can share your CV. I'll put this particular link as well in the comment section in the description of the video, so it becomes easy for you to apply. Right, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel, because these all kind of information are shared absolutely free of cost with you. We're not charging anything, so request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.